Hello. Ilavarasan Rajendran. The audio, please switch on your audio. Ilavarasan Rajendran, please switch on your audio. இப்ப மூட்ல இருக்குது, அதை மூட்டை எடுத்துடுங்க. It is now in mute. ரெட் போட்டு ஒரு கோடு போட்டிருக்கு பாருங்க. அதை please unmute. Unmute. Unmute and speak. Unmute Ilavarasan. இளவரசன் ராஜேந்திரன் அன்மியூட் பண்ணவும். ராஜேந்திரன், please unmute. Excuse me. Yeah. ராஜேந்திரன் unmute பண்ணவும். Yeah. How many have come? Unmute Ilavarasan. Who are the people available now? Explore Dream joining. Yeah. Ilavarasan came and gone. Ilavarasan, Explore Dream joining. Hello. Please connect. Audio, please connect. Hello. Explore Dream. Your audio is mute. Unmute. Unmute. Hello. 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 Hello, Explore.
Hello.
Explore. What is your name? Explore Dream. Are you able to hear?
Ajay. Yes, sir.
What is your name?
My name is Ajay.
Ajay. Very good. Ajay, you are from which state?
Karnataka.
Oh, very good. Have you passed this Saraswati Cooperative Bank PO test?
No, sir.
No,
sir. I am now applying SBI clerk.
Acha. You are applying for SBI clerk. Acha. Very good. How
Yes,
are
sir.
you preparing? In fact, SBI clerk you are preparing means you must attend my 4 to 5 class. Evening every day, 4 to 5, I conduct classes in YouTube and also in our Telegram. Telegram group ID is 72020.
Sir, I am in a Telegram group, sir.
Pardon? You are a member of my group. Oh, Telegram group member.
Yes, sir. I already joined your group, sir.
Oh, very good.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Excellent. Actually, this session I arranged for giving guidance for interview for Saraswat Cooperative Bank. What is your degree? What is your qualification? Ajay, what is your degree?
MCom, sir.
MCom. Very good. Did you appear for our Karnataka Bank?
MCom.
Acha, Karnataka Bank, did you appear?
No, sir.
When did you complete your MCom?
2020 last year.
Oh, now only. Acha. Very good. What is how many
Yes,
marks
sir.
did you score?
62%.
62. Okay, good. So, did you write any exam last year? Any clerk's exam, PO exam and all?
SBI PO I Bardin, sir.
You wrote, but Yeah, how did you prepare? Did you join some Pakka institute for preparation or not?
No, sir.
Why?
Not, sir.
You must have joined. Even now, you must join some institute and take a proper coaching. You know, you see, now if I ask questions, what is 19 square? Tell me.
361.
Oh, very good. What is 42 square?
I don't know, sir.
So for a person to succeed in SBI PO, IBPS PO, IBPS clerk, SBI clerk, you must be thorough with the tables up to 20, squares up to 50, cubes up to 25, and mug up everything formula so that you can answer them correctly. Understand?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Then what is your father?
My father name is Chandrasekhar.
No. For the question, what is your father? The answer should be, what is the work he is doing?
No, sir. He is died in 2013 December.
Oh, I'm sorry. What was he? என்ன வேலை பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தாரு?
Sir.
What work was he
Business-
doing? What work was he doing earlier? Pardon?
He is businessman, sir.
He was a businessman.
Businessman.
Oh, very good, very good. That's right. Good. Now, have you attended any interviews earlier?
No, sir.
You are not attended any interviews. Why?
Yes, sir.
In your campus, college campus, there was no campus interviews and all?
At that time, COVID है ना, sir. COVID के लिए कोई campus नहीं आया.
No campus came. Very good. Very. Acha, you are talking Hindi nicely. Very good.
हाँ, sir.
Yeah, yeah. How many siblings do you have?
2 siblings.
What are they doing?
My elder brother is recently passed as Karnataka PO.
Oh, good. What is his name?
Vishwas Alagawadi.
Oh, very good. Excellent. Congratulations. And then another brother,
Another brother is become first year.
BCom first year. Very good. Very good. Excellent.
My
Excellent.
brother told to join the Samba Shiva sir classes.
Very
He
good.
joined to. He is taking the classes to you, sir.
Oh, very good. I know. I think he would have taken Karnataka Bank interview. Lot of videos I have posted, 140,
Yes, sir.
150 videos. He must have joined that. And are you aware of what are the normal guidelines for, say, succeeding in interviews?
No, sir. I will not shown any videos now.
You don't know.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 1 minute. Yeah. See, actually, this session I arranged for telling people about interview. Since nobody has come and you have only come, let me tell you that will go well. See, whenever we go for an interview, what we should do, number one, we must prepare all our documents properly and keep them intact. Are you a general category or reserved category boy?
OBC, reserve category.
That is OBC. Hello?
Yes, sir.
You are OBC. Okay, okay. If you belong to OBC, you must take a proper certificates for validity. For example, in this State Bank of India clerical recruitment, they are asking for OBC certificate to be taken after 1st April. You know that? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you
I
have
know
to,
that, sir.
so you have to take the such.
Yes, sir. I know that.
Yeah, you have to take documents properly and keep it with you. Now coming to probationary officer,
Yes,
where
sir.
we are going for interview,
Yes.
the documents and all, you must keep them proper. Next one, if you have to take some reference certificates. You must try to get a reference certificate.
I came across a video
Hello?
on bank interviews. It is a 2-hour video, and I thought
Uh,
I should
me,
present
sir.
it to you briefly. The points have been given by one Mr. T.C. Jain. Fortunately, he is no more. This video is dedicated to his memory.
Ajay, are you able to hear?
So the important point
Yes, sir.
say in that video, let me try to explain in my own way.
Yes, sir. I am here, sir.
First and foremost thing required is your good looking or good etiquette, then communication, then hard work, cooperative, and you must be a quick learner. Say you must be able to present yourself nicely, and then you must possess good business etiquettes and also have good communication style. Communication style must be hardworking and must be cooperative and also a quick learner. Say what else is required is you must be honest. But in any interview, what is required is the person, they expect you to be a honest person, and also you must possess analytical skills, and you must be target oriented also. You must be target oriented. So the only problem is all these good qualities have to be
See, target oriented means, see, you must have something goal in your mind. You, for example, Ajay, are you there?
Yes, sir.
You must have a goal in your mind. I must become a bank officer or bank clerk by 2022 or 2023. Accordingly, you must start preparing for that. You must have a goal and not stop with the goal only, but try to take steps for achieving it. Now we will continue.
exhibited by you within the interview time of say 7 to 10 minutes, maximum 7 to 10 minutes. Within that time, the duration of interview normally is 7 to 10 minutes, and 5 or 7 or 10 questions are asked, and your personality is tested. See, during the interview, maximum 7 to 10 minutes. Within this, they will be asking you 5 to 10 questions, and your personality is what is tested. They are not testing your banking knowledge because that is already tested in the examination. However, there may be some questions regarding that. This interview is a test of personality. Interview must exhibit your, say, interview is a test of personality. Remember, here they are testing you whether you will be fitting in for the job for which you are applying. They must reflect the qualities needed for, say, a bank officer. Let us say for a bank officer, or say an IAS say candidate, or any other organization for which you are appearing. Maybe if you are appearing for scientist, then it must exhibit that you are suitable for that post. Okay, then these are the main points
Okay,
that
sir.
are required to be kept in mind. Now, these are explained in detail. For example, the appearance. Appearance, why appearance is important? Say, appearance, the way you present yourself, the way you have groomed yourself, dress makes it more important. Dress is also important. And in Tamil, we have a phrase that a man is judged 50% by the dress that he wears. So the way you dress yourself is important. It's because the human mind receives in 10 seconds impression about you. It will decide the moment you enter the room after tapping the door, you are entering the room, and then within 10 seconds, the interview panel will be able to decide whether you are a friendly person or an enemy or a fatal, that is a person who is very bad. They can decide it, the mind will decide it within 10 seconds. Within 10 seconds. So when you go for the interviews, avoid wearing black color dresses fully. Black color dresses avoid. Dark color pant हो सकता है, but shirts dark color नहीं होना चाहिए. And avoid sport shoes. Boys are advised to avoid putting sport shoes and also avoid putting chappals. Sandals, please avoid putting sandals. Ladies can wear, say, traditional dresses like sari or whatever is the dress in your locality or area, you can wear that. Ladies can wear traditional dresses or Punjabi suit or Western style trousers and shirts and coat. Avoid sleeveless shirts and all that, and do not wear.
Yeah. Now I think one new person has come. Shashwat. Shashwat, I was just telling you what are the requirements in an interview. Initially, I told about, say, preparing your documents properly. Now I was telling about, say, appearance, and then other aspects that are relevant for ensuring success in the interview. Shashwat, you are from which state? Please unmute your mic. Shashwat, unmute your mic. Please unmute your mic. Shashwat, or please unmute your mic. Hello. Yeah. Shashwat. Shashwat Srivastava. Shashwat. Shashwat, you are from which state? He is not able to listen properly. So let me start again. Yeah.
High heel, sandals, and with trousers, it is advised you must wear shoe. And always put a socks whenever you wear a shoe also. When RRB clerk posting happened Tamil Nadu, I don't know, sorry, I'm not aware about it now. And let us wish it will come early. Yeah. You must avoid, say, jeans. Both boys and girls avoid wearing jeans.
For the interview.
Avoid wearing t-shirts.
You should not wear
Avoid
t-shirts.
wearing revealing dresses. So transparent donor dresses, avoid kar dijiye.
Yeah.
All that, what is more important is, what is more important? Smile.
Yeah.
Smile.
You must smile. Always
It's
be
easy to
smile.
say, but smile आना है. आपको tension होगा, आपको nervousness होगा. You should not exhibit that, but smile. Okay, that's right. Then the business etiquette is that you must. Business etiquette is very important. First and foremost, business etiquette is reach the venue on time. Do not reach the venue delayedly. So, and for that, ensuring that, say, reaching the venue 10 minutes earlier, if necessary, you visit a day earlier, check up how long it takes for travel and all that. People going from outstations, it is advisable for you to reach the interview venue 1 day beforehand, though it may involve expenditure in accommodation and all, because you will have relaxed time before you. Okay, so reach on time. Then when you enter the room and say, wish them good morning, good afternoon, and
Here, I have to tell you about Saraswat Cooperative Bank. Maybe they will conduct through online also. I'm not sure how they are going to conduct. If it is through online, you are saved of the botheration of traveling and all that. That is a specific advantage for you. And so that is very important. So if in case you have to travel to another place, you reach the place beforehand. Saswat, you are from which city? You are coming from which place? Saswat Srivastav. Saswat Srivastav. First and foremost thing, yeah, Saswat. I think there is some problem in audio. शाश्वत आपका ऑडियो ठीक है नहीं है? आपको ऑडियो देख रहा हूं, लेकिन आपने तो बात कर लीजिए ना. First and foremost thing required is confidence. Now Ajay was here, Ajay was talking confidently. So Sashwat, you must talk confidently. Okay, now let me continue with that video. Yeah.
And say, good afternoon. And when you enter the room, you must enter the room with smile, and you must have your folder in your hand like this. You can't keep it like this. You can't keep it like this. You can't keep it like this. Keep it like this. Then you enter the room. You just wait for them to say, please take your seats. Then you sit on the chair and move the chair without making much noise. And your legs should be kept more or less 90 degrees. It cannot be 45 degrees. You can't.
Yeah. Now Karthikeyan has come. Karthikeyan, you are from which? Karthikeyan came and has gone. Oh, Karthikeyan came and he has gone. Doesn't matter. No problem. We will continue. Yeah.
And keep it just in front of you and all that. 90 degrees, and it must be kept on floor. Or if there is a, say, provision before in the interview table, you can keep it on that. But then it should not result in your putting it in degrees, say 40 degrees, 30 degrees, and all. Legs should not be crossed. Legs should not be crossed. And no crossing of arms, fingers.
You should
Then
not keep
thank
like
them
this.
while sitting. You thank them while sitting. Thank you, sir.
When you are offered seat, you must say
When you
thanks. Thank you.
Answering questions, do not repeat the same words. Do not repeat the same words. Yeah. This is very important. Do not repeat the same words. You are not supposed to use yeah and all. Slangs should not be used. I have seen many people using the words actually, basically, frankly. Please avoid using those words. Avoid using thanks many times also. No, don't use every time. You don't say thank you, sir, and all that. See, you will not be asking for snacks, tea, and all that. By the time when you go inside that hall, inside that room, when if the tea is being served, the interviewers sometimes offer you tea or coffee. And if you are used to that, accept it and say thanks. And if you don't have the habit of drinking tea or coffee, then say, sorry, no, sir, thank you. Say like that. in a very nice way. And regarding the questions, regarding the questions, do not answer the questions immediately. It's not like it is not rapid fire quiz. Tuck, 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 tuck. You are asked a question, retain it in your mind, analyze, then give your answer. Take 1 or 2 seconds to analyze.
Correct.
And if the questions are not clear, tell them, sir, the question is not clear. Please tell me. Ask for repeating the question. Then coming to communication, which is very important. Say, communication, as you know, it is decided in 2 ways. One is verbal and non-verbal. The way you enter the room, the way you wish them,
Hello, sir.
the way you take your seat, the way you look at others. These things matter a lot.
Yeah,
They are all non-verbal.
very important.
Verbal is what we are talking. For example, when you talk in an interview, your communication must be clear. I don't know whether I think I'm making it clear now. So the communication must be clear, audible. You can't talk to yourself. And it must be soft. You can't talk like what I am doing. I am doing here because I'm giving a lecture to you. But even some people have the habit of telling even this in a nice way. It should be soft, slow, and steady. It should not be very fast. No monologues. Don't use one words.
Yeah, you can't be using 1 or
Don't
2
use some
words.
fillers and say yes, no, like that and all that.
Yeah,
That must be very clear. You can't use single word answers. And most important thing which I told you earlier is also do not use the slangs.
yeah,
Slangs which we use normally in WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and all these places. Such languages should not be used in interviews. They should not be used in interviews. If you are not aware of it, you may be using it. Please remember to avoid slang language. Then do not use weak words. Do not use weak words. Weak words mean the words that have not much of a meaning. Like say, talking about my family, sir, talking about my college. If you want me to tell about my college, such words should be avoided. No, they are not communicating anything important. So avoid using weak words and don't use words which may tell them that you are not definite about the answer. You are not clear about the answer. Do not use such words.
yeah.
Regarding language, normally many interviews are conducted in English. If you are not comfortable in English, आप हिंदी में बात कर सकते हैं.
Yeah. So this is the, yeah. Yeah. Ajay, you went out. Yeah. Ajay is joining now only. Ajay is joining now. Yeah. Ajay. Yeah, very good. So I was giving you the details about what are the things to be done in the case of interview. Now let me tell you certain other things apart from say the documents and also address and communication, etc. Next, for appearing before the interview, prepare about banking awareness. Prepare about banking awareness. Prepare about banking awareness and be thorough with current affairs, especially for the last 1 month. Last 1 month, you must be thorough with the current affairs. and be clear about your native place. So what you try to know about your native place, by that I mean your village, your district, your state, about that. What is the occupation of the people who are there, and who are the important people living in that area? Who is the MLA, MP of your area? Please get to know about all this. Acha, you are Ajay? Ajay?
Yes, sir.
Oh, Ajay.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good.
I am Ajay, sir.
Ajay, very nice. Ajay, you are done MCOM, correct?
Yes, sir.
What is a balance sheet?
Yes, sir.
What is a balance sheet?
Balance sheet, financial statements. Showing what?
Financial statement
Showing the liquidity of the position of the company.
Hmm.
Financial position of the company.
Can you make it still better? Balance sheet is a statement of assets and liabilities of a firm as on a particular date. It is not telling about profitability. It is not telling about loss. It is telling what are the assets that are there, what are the liabilities that are there. Understand? Ajay?
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. What
Yes,
is
sir.
what is
Understand, sir.
yeah, what is a trial balance?
Trial balance is just showing profit or loss.
No, trial balance will not show profit or loss. Trial balance is a statement of both debit and credit balances in general ledger, and they should tally. If it is not tallying, then there is some arithmetic error. So we have to locate that. Could you follow? Ajay,
Yes, sir.
trial balance is that way.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. Acha, please tell me, what do you understand by depreciation?
Depreciation to reduce the cost of machinery to purchase a new machinery at the time of the old machinery year was expended.
No, no.
Expired.
Depreciation is a charge made on the assets every year for accounting for the use, wear and tear. You buy a car for 10 lakhs rupees. Every year you will be reducing 1 lakh from that. So that is known as depreciation. Could you understand?
Hello.
Yeah. What is a private sector?
Sir, one time.
Yeah. Ajay, ask me.
Sir, depreciation ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಮ್ಮ ಹೇಳಿ sir?
Depreciation is a charge.
Sir.
Please talk. I'm not able to listen.
Tell me, sir, one second. Depreciation meaning.
Very
I don't understand.
Understand. Correct. Depreciation is a charge on the assets of the firm made every year for the use of the asset and also for accounting for the wear and tear. WEAR and TEAR. Okay. So that is what it is. And
Okay, sir.
there are there are three methods, but two methods are famous. One method is fixed,
fixed installment method.
Fixed installment method. Another one,
reducing balance method. Discount method.
Very good. Reducing balance method. Good. Excellent. Ajay,
Yes, sir.
can you tell me what is a private sector bank? Ajay, what is a private sector
Sir,
bank?
correct. I don't.
You don't know? A private
Private
sector,
sector banks to hold in majority shares.
yeah. The more than 50% shares are held by the individuals and not by the government.
Private.
A bank is known as public
sir.
sector bank when more than 50% of shares, 51 and above, are owned by government. Do you know the name of bank which is being privatized recently? What is the name of the bank that has been privatized recently? You don't know? It is IDBI. It is IDBI. Very good. So like that it will come. So Ajay is not there now. Now the point is, so what we have to do, we have to prepare about banking awareness. We have to prepare about current affairs of what is happening in and around us. Supposing you go for interview today, they will ask you about corona problem. What is the extent of corona in your district, in your place? They will ask you what steps the government is taking. Like that, they will ask you. So you must be able to tell about that. And if you happen to go for interview today, then they can ask you about, say that International Nurses Day and all that was celebrated yesterday or so. So likewise, whatever is relevant in the recent happening, and if somebody from Tamil Nadu is going for interview, they will ask about the change of the government from Edapadi to Stalin. So likewise, they will ask you. So you must be thorough with current affairs. You must be thorough with banking. You must be in a position to answer with confidence. First of all, you must be clear about questions on about yourself, about your college, about your district, about your subject, about your favorite subject, likewise, and you must be able to explain nicely to the interviewers. If you do that with confidence, you can always succeed. So, and Ajay also has gone. Let me conclude this video by telling such of those people who are interested in taking a mock interview after the date is announced and after you are preparing fully for the interview, you may remit, say, to Google Pay. Please pay to Google Pay number 90030375557, sum of rupees 100, and send an email to me at samba.s7@gmail.com. You send an email to me after remitting money. And please give your phone number. Many of you send the email without giving any phone number. You must give your phone number also, so that in case of need, I can talk to you to find out, are you comfortable in taking the interview over the phone or through Zoom? So this is what it is. And I will guide you then what are the further steps you have to take. Initially, I've told you these are the things. One, prepare for banking, prepare for current affairs, prepare about your place, about your school, college, family, etc. And and be confident when you go for the interview. Be clear. This is what is required. I'm sure you people would have understood what I try to communicate. Such of those people who would like to take a mock interview, please become a member of my Telegram group, Sivan 2020. SIVAN 2020. That's one. Number two, you remit 100 rupees to Google Pay and then send email. Thereafter, I will get in touch with you. Thank you. so much for coming. I mean, two people came and attended the class today. Very nice. Thank you so much. Best wishes.